give a round of applause first to Mateo's mom and dad. Thank you so much, Mommy Ray, Daddy Marvin. You may not join us here, but the kids will stay there. Alright. Now, Mom and Dad will join us here so that Daddy will could take some more pictures because Daddy is one of our official paparazzis, right? Okay, kids, stay there. Stay there. And then look, that girl wearing boots also. Ah, shy! Why are you shy like me and wearing boots also? I like your boots pa naman. Mr. D, hands up first. Alright, now kids. I want to see all the kids here first, so let me get your names one by one. Alright, before we start the party, I want to know your name. So let me start with this boy. I am here, a very, very cute bachelor. What's your name?
Lawrence.
Lawrence. Okay, your Lawrence, your cousin or friend of Mateo?
Yes.
Yes, both. Okay, cousin and friend. Alright, so Lawrence, what's your name?
Sean.
Sean. Okay, cousin or friend? Friend. Alright, what's your name?
Saya.
Seiya. So Lawrence, Sean, Seiya. Okay, how old are you? 55. Okay, 55. Alright, what's your name?
Tiger.
Tiger.
Sorry. It's T-A-D-H-G, Tiger.
T-H-E-H. Tig. Tig. Oh, it's Tig. Okay, I like the name. Tig. Okay. Alright, Tig, how old are you? 60. Okay, 60 years old. Alright, why are you so shy? What's your name? Roxy. Can I borrow this later? Alright, Roxy, how old are you? 5. What's your name? How old are you? 3. Okay, super short speech. 3. Okay, that's the birthday boy. What's your name?
Haya.
Hiya. I like your braces. Show it to them. I like your braces. Smile. Smile with your braces. Okay, Hiya, how old are you? 5. And your name? 4. And how old are you? Maxi. Okay. How old are you, Maxi? And what's your name? 4. Okay. Okay, there you go. That's Maxi. What's your name? Calvin. Show them your braces. Smile. No, I show you. Smile. With your teeth, come on. Big smile. Bigger. Show your... I don't like. Okay. Okay, how old are you? 6 years old. Okay, what's your name?
Nino.
And how old?
7.
37, right? Okay, your name? You're answering for him. What's your name?
Mommy.
Bobby. Hi, Bobby. How old are you? Kuya, how old is he?
Yung nagpicture,
3
naka-camera
only.
mode pala.
Okay. Uy,
Ha?
Bobby, yung
Hindi,
tatanggap niyo,
sinagpos
ha?
camera kanina.
Alright, now
Pinicture ako
kids,
na eh.
are you ready to play games? Are you ready to play games? Yes, very good. Alright, now kids, you know what? As you can see, we have there plenty of prizes. So we got cars and we have Disney cars and Barbie for the girls. Not unless the boys wanted to have Barbie at 2. Okay, so you have a choice between Barbie or cars, boys. Now, we're gonna play the first game and I call this game as an amazing race game. Alright, do you know how to drive? Okay. What does it say if the stoplight says, the traffic light says green? Go. How about yellow? Slow. How about red? Stop. Very good. You're good drivers. So, okay, now the kids know how to drive already. Now, when I say ready, get set, go. If the red light flashes, it means that you have to go around the place and go for the race. Now, what's the race all about? Alright, the race is all about hunting stickers. Okay, so when I say ready, get set, go, you have to look for the stickers. Alright, so what stickers are those? Those are colored purple stickers. Purple stickers, and it's in all over the place. It's in under the chairs. Once you found one sticker, you're gonna get the prize from the birthday boy, Mateo. It's a purple sticker and it says you won. It's hidden under the chairs. Alright, kids, everybody, ready? Get set, go! Come on, look under chairs now. Look under chairs. Mateo. Okay, look under chairs. Okay, look under chairs. Come on. Face the audience. Okay, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. 3 winners only. How about the rest of the stickers? 4. Okay, stand up there. Okay. We have 7. Okay. Wow, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stickers? 2 more stickers to go. Dalawa pa. Okay, you found 1. Come here. 1 more sticker. 1 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up, Mr. DJ. Let me see the winners. Show your stickers to the camera, please. I have it. 1, 2. You have a sticker? No sticker. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody. Alright. 6 winners. Picture first picture. Then I'm gonna give you your prize. Picture first picture taking. Alright. Can I have a music, kuya? Okay. Picture taking, and I'm gonna give the prizes to all the winners. Oh, wait. It's, sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, the winners. Maybe the winners will get na lang a chance to choose their own prize. Alright. Winners, line up there and choose your own prize. Line up there, down the stage. Come on, choose your own prize. But please don't sit down yet. Then I'm gonna give you a chance to have a picture with your prizes. Let's all give a round of applause for all the winners. Congratulations. Alright. Choose your prize, Mateo. What do you want? Okay, the prizes are here. Okay, these are the prizes. Okay, these are the prizes. Come on, choose your prize.
Get one and
Come on, get one. Come on. Since that's a very hard game, you have the chance to choose your own prize. Alright, so get one. Get one, Roxy. Okay, kids with the prizes, stand up here. Let's have a picture with your toys. Come on, let's have a picture with your toys. Come on, up on stage. On stage, come on. On stage. Okay, picture, picture, picture. Okay, up on stage. Let's have a picture. Picture. There. Picture, picture. Show your prizes. Show your prizes. Show your prizes to the camera and smile. Mateo. Okay. Now everybody clap hands again to the winners. Congratulations. Alright, Mateo, what do you say to yourself? You say happy birthday to me. And the kids, what do you say to Mateo? Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Very good. Alright, now go there, promise and give the prizes first to you now. Now let's play another game. Alright. Who wants to play the next game? Raise your hands. Come on. Okay, now let me ask you, who wants some prizes? Okay, join me here. Give me one big circle. One big circle down the stage. Okay, Mateo, give the prize first to your mommy, then you can play the next game. Come on, baby. Alright, now Mateo down the stage. Let's form a big circle. You jump. 1, 2, 3, and jump. Alright, now big circle, big circle. Okay, now how many sides we have in a circle? No sides, right? So that means you have to form a very big circle. Move 2 steps backwards. 2 steps, please. Mateo, move backwards, girls, backwards. Ayaw niya? Bakit? Okay, Mateo, come here. Okay, oh, there. Oh, come here, come here. Okay, there. Now hold your hand under Roxy. Kids, move 2 steps backwards. 2 steps. Okay, bigger. Okay, do you have any other more players back there? How about you, girl? You want to join? Shy type. Okay, it's okay. Now, kids, everybody hands down. Put your hands down. Hands down. Alright, now, everybody listen to Auntie Ali. We're gonna play some vocal cords exercise first. Alright, now I used to do this every morning. Vocal cords inside the shower. Okay, now we're gonna do it the party way. If I say hi, you say? Very good. Party animal. Okay. If I say hello, you say? Hi. Hep hep. Okay, you know what's missing? You have to raise your hands. 2 hands. Raise it high. Come on. Raise your hands up. And you jump. That's okay. When you say hooray, you jump. You say hooray. Okay, let's do it one more time. Hep hep. Hooray. Come here, Roxy. Come on. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Alright, very good. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Alright, if I say happy birthday to, you say? Hooray. Oh, ito na hooray. It's Mateo. Okay, it's San Mateo. Alright, let's do it answer. Hello?
Hi.
Hi?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi?
Hello.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Happy birthday to you.
Mateo.
Alright, are you ready to play the next game? Very good. Now kids, this is it. We're gonna play the next game. And I call this game as Scratch Your Esophagus game. No, it's like a Scratch Your Tummy game. Scratch Your Tummy game. Where's your tummy? Show me your tummy. Don't show it to me. Just point your tummy. This is my tummy. Okay, put down your blouse. This is my tummy. Okay, now, can you guess my favorite color? Yes.
Blue.
Blue! That's your favorite color. Who can guess my favorite color? Because my lipstick is pink. Alright, so I have a pink ball. Mateo, join, come on. Okay, together with Ate. Now, nice, you ready, get it, go. What you're gonna do is you scratch your tummy 3 times using the ball. Okay, like this. Follow me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, imagine you're holding the ball. 1, 2, 3. And pass to the next player. Now, you scratch your tummy. 1, 2, 3. And pass to the next player. Scratch your tummy. Okay, wait. Alright, now what will happen if the music stops and if you're holding the ball, what will happen? You will be out. Alright, so you have to be fast. Alright, so you have to scratch your tummy 3 times and pass to the next player. And the music stops, you're out. Alright, so Mr. DJ, give me some fast music. Are you ready? Okay, ready, shout happy birthday, Mateo!
Happy birthday, Mateo.
Okay, move back. Mr. DJ, music. Scratch your tummy. Pass. Okay, faster, get the ball. Scratch your tummy, scratch your pass. Come on, come on. Faster, faster, faster. Scratch your tummy, scratch it. Up. Okay, so who's out? Wait. Come here. Okay, come here. What's your name? What's your name again?
Happy.
Okay, you know what? That's just a practice round. Practice lang yun. Okay, so you go back to your place. Now you stand, girls. And don't do it. Practice lang yun. Come here. I'll do it one more time. Kailangan mabilis. Or to make it really, really fast. Ready? Get set, go! Start it up. Pass to the next player. Louder, kuya. Come on. Start your tummy meters and pass to the next player. Okay, start it up and pass to the next player. Come on. Okay, come on, start it up and pass to the next player. Faster. Kuya, can you help the DJ? Good job. Okay, come on, kuya. Okay, stop already. Nag-stop na pala. Okay, so it's Mateo. Mateo, the birthday boy. You know what? Since it's your birthday today, you have 3 chances. So wala pa rin out. Okay. Alright, so kuya, can you do it perfectly? Alright, now let's do it one more round. Ready, get set, go! Scratch your tummy and pass. Tummy and pass. Come on, scratch your tummy and pass. Come on, faster. Scratch your tummy and pass to the next player. Faster, boys, come on. It's really you.
Dapat kasi tatlo lang.
It's really you. Say bye. Okay, now ready, music. Scratch your tummy 3 times and pass to the next player. Faster. Pass to the next player. Faster. Oh! It's you! Bye! Alright, now kids, listen up. How old is Mateo? 3. So we're gonna have 3 winners. Alright, now listen. After you scratch your tummy, you scratch your head and pass. 3 times also. 3 times. Go! Tummy, head, pass. Tummy, head, and pass to the next player. Scratch your tummy, scratch your head, and pass to the next player. Go. Tummy, head, and pass. Tummy, head, and pass to the next player. Tummy, head, and pass. Come on. Tummy, head, pass to the next player. Tummy, head, pass. Faster. It's you with the braces. Okay. Bye. Say bye. Alright. It's okay, baby girl. You can still join later. Now, how many kids are still left here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 kids. 2 more kids will be out. Okay, Aya? Can I have the ball? After you scratch your tummy, you scratch your head, you scratch your shoulder 3 times and pass. Music. Okay, tummy, head, shoulder, pass. Come on. Tummy, head, shoulder, and pass to the next player. Okay, tummy, head, scratch your shoulder. I want you to turn around. You jump high and pass. Music.
Parang
Music. Mr. DJ, music. Tummy, head, shoulder. What happened to the music? Okay. Can we help the DJ, sir? Okay. Okay, tummy, head, shoulder, turn around, turn around, turn around, jump, 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 and pass. Mr. DJ, music, tummy, head, shoulder, turn around, jump. I can hear the music. Let's all keep quiet. It stopped already. Okay, you know, DJ, the problem is with your jack. Nasa jack yung problem. Okay, tummy, head, shoulder, turn around, jump, and it stopped already? That's too fast, ha? Okay, that's Mateo's ate. Okay, Roxy, it's okay. Say bye, Roxy. Roxy, don't worry. You know what? Since you're the only girl left, I'm gonna give you a prize. Alright, Roxy, choose a prize that you want, and all the boys here, step on stage winners. Come on, step on stage winners. On stage. Okay, Mateo, it's you again. Wow, you are the Hall of Famer awardee for your party, ha? Alright, so now I have your prizes for the boys. Do you want to choose your own prize or you want me to give a prize for you? Okay, choose your own. Come on, choose your own. Mateo, choose your prize also. Choose your own prize, Mateo. Come on, get your prize. Alright, there you go. Now, who wants to play another game? Okay, come on, join us here. Join me again. One more round, one more game. Okay, kids, join me here. Alright, now. Okay, now we're gonna play. Mommies and daddies, we're gonna play a game. Alright, now how many say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? You wanna join? Are you joining? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I'm gonna park it into 2 teams. So, 2 teams. Step on stage. On stage. Alright, on stage. On stage, kids. On stage. Come on. On stage. 2 groups. Okay, 2 groups. I have here. 1 team. 1, 2, 3. Wait, can we have the girls versus the boys? Join naman. Okay, boys. Come here, boys. All the boys. Form a team. Come on, boys. Girls, form a team. Okay, girls there. Boys there, boys. Okay, boys. Okay. Girls, more girls. We need more girls. Okay, and where? Okay, there. We only have 4 girls. What's her name? Saya, come here, Saya, come on. Saya and? Saya and? Chichi? Okay, Chichi and Saya, come on. It's so easy, promise. Saya, it's so easy. Okay, now, Mommy will join also. Yay. Okay, now, listen up, kids. Okay, Mr. DJ, thank you. We have 2 groups of girls and boys. Alright, now you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boys. Now, we're gonna play a game and I call this game as the shopping game. Okay, now kaya ba tayo naglalaro ng boys game? This time we're gonna play girls game because the girls joined already. Okay, girls, this is your chance to win, alright? Now, can I have my props, Mr. Assistant? Shopping game! Where do you go shopping, kids? Do you love to shop in SM? No, do you go shopping with your mom in SM? Where? Trinoma. How about MOA? Mega Mall. Where? Where do you shop? Okay, so I have here a shopping bag like this. Now, kids, every time you go shopping, you have to bring your own reusable shopping bag like this because plastics are not allowed anymore, alright? To prevent global warming, flooding, etc., etc. Alright, so I have here a shopping bag. I'm going to give that to your team leader. And the shopping list is here. Okay, what's your favorite color? I only have yellow. Okay, this is yours, yellow. What's your favorite color? Red. Oh, I have red. Okay, who's your team leader? Can you give it to the team leader? Here. Okay, Mateo. Mateo, your group is the boys group. Alright, now listen up, mommies and daddies. I gave them a shopping bag and a shopping list. Now, this we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes for the game. I think it's too, it's long enough, right? So, I'm gonna give you 1 minute instead. 1 minute for the game. Now, guys, ready, get set, go, girls. This is your chance to win, girls. Listen up. I have here the shopping list. It says lipstick, lipstick, cologne, hair comb, belt, t-shirt, sunglasses, hanky, pep socks, climbers, baby powder. Now what you're gonna do, mommies and daddies, everybody, open your bags and the kids will stop all the items inside the shopping bag. When I say ready, get go, and when the time is up, they have to give me the bags and we'll count all the items later. The most items will get the prize. Alright, so kids, shopping. Okay, shopping game starts now. Go shopping. Come on, go shopping, mommy. Help your kids, come on. Go shopping, help your kids. Okay, come on. Okay, come on, come on. 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Up, the boys. 30 seconds. Ten, nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. Time is up, Mr. Nili Santos. Alright, now, Mateo, come here. Boys, come here on stage. Come on, don't eat the cake. Okay. Are you eating the cake? Are you hungry? Don't worry. Dinner follows, kids. Alright, now kids, join me here. Please stand up at the back of the chair. Come on, stand up at the back of the chair. Find your height. Girls, stand up at the back of the chair. You're not allowed to stand in front. Come on. Okay, so that your moms and dads may check on the items. Now, let me check. Let me weigh first the baskets or the shopping bags. Okay, for the girls, it's 1 kilo. Okay, that's 1 kilo for the girls. Now, for the boys, 1/4. Okay, now let's check on the items. Let's start with the girls. Okay, girls team. Okay, I am here. Uy, so cute. Okay, so what's this? Yeah, it's a shirt. Alright, so there's the shirt. I thought it's props. Okay, a baby powder. A brand new baby. Did I say Johnson's? Okay, so that's a baby powder. Oh, wow, I have here a very fashionista belt. Okay, that's the belt. Okay, kids. Wow, I have lipstick. What's the brand? Rubilicious Maybelline. Okay, there's another lipstick. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is yeah, the MAC lipstick. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cologne 6. Oh, I have here, what's this? No, I didn't ask for a foundation. I only asked for baby powder. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 only. A sunglass, 7. A hanky, 8. Comb. Are you sure this is comb? I'm confused. What happened? What kind of hair is that? Okay, ha? Sa'yo to? Okay, what happened to the comb? Okay. Okay, now that's how many points? Okay, again, let's count it again.
11.
Alright, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points for the girls. Alright. Now girls, return the items to your mommy first while I'm counting on the boys. Alright, boys. Yes, boys. Okay, let's check. You know what? The boys got a Cars t-shirt. So, actually, it's only 1 point, sorry. Okay, so 1 point for the boys. I have here a belt. Whose belt is this? Mateo, it's your belt. Okay, 2 points. A sunglass. Whose sunglass? It's yours. Okay, so that's your forma. Okay, 3 points. I have here a very cute pair of socks. Don't worry, it doesn't stink naman. Okay, so 4 points. But what's very interesting is that I have here 2 lipsticks. Okay, is this yours? Is this yours? Whose lipstick is this? Okay, mommy's. Alright, so I have here this Body Shop and, yeah, 2 Body Shop lipsticks. So how many points for the boys? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points for the boys. That means that animals. Okay. How many kids do you have? Okay, one down for you, one down for you. Boys, come here, boys.
Ipila mo si Mateo. Di ba sumali siya? Ipila mo si Mateo. Tuwalya din yun.
Okay, boys, come on, bring your friends here, boys, boys. Two more boys. Mateo and two more prizes for the boys. What's the prize for the boys? Boys. The boys, come here. Why are you crying? Who? Someone? It's okay. Someone. Okay, now girls, you have a prize already? Alright, now kids, let's play one more game. And after, we're gonna enjoy food now. Okay. The food is ready to serve by 5 more minutes. Now kids, let's play one more game. I want to see one straight line down the stage now. Okay. One straight line. Come on, down the stage. Line up according to your height. Now, come on, one line. Mr. DJ, give us some music. Line up here, Maxi. Starts with you, Maxi. Come on, come here. Okay. No, starts here. Starts here. Come on. Okay, line should start here. Facing me, Kuya. Face this area. Okay, there. Okay, line up according to your height. Okay, ate here in front. Mr. Assistant, I need your help. Okay, here. Move backwards. Okay. Okay, girls, line up here. Line up, line up. Line up. Okay, line up. Boys, follow the line, follow the line. Okay, follow the line, follow the line. Backwards. Okay. Okay, thank you, assistant. Mr. Lee also. Is that One Direction? Yes, okay. Wow, that's my generation. One Direction. Alright, now kids, go back to the line. Come on. One straight line. Everybody, move backwards. Come on, move back, move back. Okay, come on, backwards, please. Follow the line. Don't move, don't breathe, kids. Come on, don't breathe. Alright, come here. Alright, arms forward, raise. Arms forward. Arms forward, raise. Come here, arms forward. Okay, put your hands on top of the shoulder of your playmate right in front of you like that. Okay, there you go. Very good, very good. Okay, face that area. Come here, Maxi, here, the first one. Come on. Alright, don't kill your playmate. Don't kill your playmate. It's a crime. Just put it there. Okay, there. Now, we're gonna play the game and I call this game as... Okay, where is Maxi?
Why?
Okay. Because she's here a while ago, now she left already na. Why? You don't want to join? Okay. There! Okay. Where have you been? Okay. Okay, now, one straight line. Kids, hands down! Hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kids. You have 8. Come here. Okay, listen to Ate. You're gonna play. This is my favorite game. Mateo, you want to join, Mateo? You want to join?
Join.
Come on, join. Okay. Now, when you join, you have to listen to your mom and dad. Okay, listen to your mom and dad because they're gonna give you a clue. You want to join in, Maxi? Come here. Okay, now listen. The game is what they call as the land and water game. Who knows what is land in Tagalog? Come on, what is land in Tagalog? You know? Absent ka dito? Land in Tagalog is lupa. Ever shout lupa? Okay. Don't eat lupa. Now, what is water in Tagalog? Oh, very good. You know how to speak in Tagalog. Okay, land is lupa, water is tubig. Now, Mateo, stand up here. Everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes and don't breathe and don't move. Okay? Now, imagine, kids, that you're standing on top of a very tall and very, very high, don't kill each other, mountain. Okay, you're standing on top of a very high mountain. What can you see on top of the mountain? What can you see? Can you see trees? Can you see animals? Can you see clouds? Can you see the sky? Can you see houses? Because you're on top of a very high mountain. You know what? Mountain is one form of land. Okay, so now open your eyes. Okay, now remember, look down. Look down. The place where you stand is what we call as the mountain or the land. Everybody shout, land! Louder, land! Okay, now Mateo, this is the land. That's the land. Now, who wants to go swimming with Ate Ai? Come on. Raise your hands. Okay, now everybody move one step sideward, going to your right. Go. Going to your right. One step sideward to your right. Move. One step sideward. Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Mateo, close your eyes. Okay, make sure Mateo. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now, what? Okay. What can you see under the sea? Okay. What can you see under the sea? Can you? Okay, kids, please tell me what you see under the sea. Louder. What else? Aside from fish. Shark. What else? Seaweed. Octopus. What else? Corals. What else? Starfish. What else? Elephant. Okay, Ariel, Tita. What else? Okay, can you see turtles? Okay, and many kinds of fishes. Now, Mateo, stand up here. Alright, now open your eyes. And remember that this is what we call as the water. Because sea is a body of water, right? A form of water, yeah. Whatever. Alright, so everybody shout, water! Water! Alright, now everybody go. Let's go back to the land. Go back to the land. Here. Okay, Mateo, come here. This is the land. Come on, Mateo. This is the land, Mateo. Okay, there's the land. Okay, now shout, land! Okay, now let's go to the sea. Or water. Water. Go to the water. Shout, water! Let's go to the land. Okay, every time you go to the land or water, you have to jump and shout. Okay, say land! Go to the water! Mateo, water. Okay, shout water! Kids, let's go to the land! Okay, shout land! Let's go to the water! Okay, kids, listen. Every time you go to the land or water, you have to shout land or water. Okay, let's go to the land! Oh, you shout land! Okay, let's go to the water! What do you shout? Let's go to the land! To the water! Let's go to the water! This is the water, this is the water. Shout! Let's go to the land! Okay, do you have music? Okay, kids, now what you're gonna do is you have to memorize where the land. This is the land and there's the water. Because what will happen? If you go to the wrong place, if you jump to the wrong place, what will happen? You're out, Tita. You're dead. Okay, you're out. Okay, you'll be out. So winners, okay, will get big prizes. Are you ready to play the game? Okay, so Mateo, this is the land. There's the land. Let's go to the water. To the land. To the water. To the water. Mateo? Mateo! Water! This is the water. Come on, Mateo. Here. Okay, water. There's the water. One more. Let's go to the land. Water! To the water! Did you jump? Did you jump? Okay, let's do it one more time, kids. You have to memorize that because if not, you'll be out na. Okay, let's do it one more time. Mateo, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Yes. Okay, Mateo, konti na lang ha? Okay. Okay, let's go. Everybody go to the land. Jump high, make it high. Let's go to the water. Land. Go to the land. Okay, who jump? Honesty is the best policy. Sino nag-jump? Ishika. Okay, sino pa kami nag-jump here sa likod? Who jump? Okay, it's only you? Okay, so what's your name again? Haya. Haya. Okay, say bye, Haya. Okay, Haya. Mateo, come here, Mateo. You have 100 chances, don't worry. Okay, everyone, let's go to the water. Land. Water. Land. By the way, Haya, get the consolation prize, Haya. Okay, where are we now? Land. Water. Make it high, jump high. Go to the land. Water. Boys are not jumping. Let's go to the land. To the water. To the water. don't worry. Okay, now kids. Kids, you have to be fast. Make it fast, okay? Or else you're out. Make it faster, alright? Ready? Stand straight. Let's go to the land. Make it fast. Water! To the land! To the land! Aside from Mateo, I saw Ronald jump. Is it you? Okay, don't worry about consolation prize. Alright. Okay. Stand straight. Now kids, at the back. If you're late, you're out. If you're late, you're out. You have to be fast, okay? Okay, make it fast. Kids, stand straight. And jump high. Let's go to the water. Land. Water. Land. Land. Okay, super happy baby boy. Okay, now listen kids, ha? Okay, nobody jump, you're all good. Now kids, listen. You have to follow your own instincts because Ate Ai, I don't memorize where the land and water is. So don't follow me. Okay, don't follow me. Okay, but this is the land, there's the water. Now let's check. Everybody go to the water. To the land. Water. To the water. Who's out? Ate Roxy. Ate Roxy. Okay, what's your name again, baby girl? Yeah, Ate, and Ate Roxy's out. Say bye. Okay, Ate Roxy. Okay. And Thea here. Okay, now boys, stand straight. Mateo, you're still in, don't worry. No, Mateo, stand up here. Okay.
Ayan, sila.
Okay, three boys are still in. I mean, 3 boys and 1 girl. This is the final round. Final round. Stand straight. Let's go to the land. Oops, that's too slow. Make it fast. Water. Land. Water. Land. Who's not shouting? Water. Water. Did you jump? Did you jump? Did you jump? Okay, so I guess we already have a winner, right? Okay, but the non-winners coming. Non-winners, I'm gonna give you a consolation prize. Non-winners, here's your prize. Here's your consolation prize. Mateo, come here, Mateo. Okay, you want this? What do you want? This or this? You want this? Okay, now winner, choose your own prize. What do you want? That one? Alright, what's your name again? Vino. Okay, round of applause for Vino. Okay, very smart Vino. Alright, but now kids, are you hungry? I'm sure you're hungry. Alright, now kids, before we enjoy the food, we're gonna pray first. Alright, so our prayer is there's our prayer leader, Roxy. Let's all stand for the prayer. Okay. Okay, everyone, let's all stand and bow down our heads and feel the presence of the Lord.
Name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. Bless us, O Lord, sorry gifts, serve out the receiver, about thee to Christ and Lord, amen. Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen.
I like this girl. Okay, so it's eating time already. Thank you so much, Roxy. Okay, now kids, take your seats first because your food will be served. Alright, so we have plated meals for everyone. Like our friends and staff on Active Fun will be serving your food one by one, straight to your table. So kids, come on, go to your seats and wait for your food to be served. The announcement that we have here, our signature board or what was message board for Mateo. So sana po lahat tayo mag-write down a message for Mateo. And we also have here our hot dog, what do you call this? Hot dogs and mallows station for everybody. So please get 1 hot dog or you can get as many as you can for the kids. Okay. Alright, come on kids, get the hot dogs and mallows. But you also have your main courses and will be served right away. Main courses from Active Fun. Alright, now announcement kids. Alright, since we're having Mateo's 3rd birthday party here, we're gonna have more surprises. Like, what's next is we'll be singing a birthday song for Mateo after eating time. So that's the candlelight ceremony. Wow, look at your cake. Okay. It's from Goldilocks. Yes, alright. Mateo's third birthday cake. And they also have the giving away of loot bags for everyone. And don't worry, all the kids will get the chance to take home a loot bag. Oh wait, okay. Okay, to take home a loot bag and to play at the play area that we have downstairs. So lahat ng bata, before you go home, you'll all get a chance to play because you're gonna get play passes. All the kids, go. Alright, so play passes will be given after the party. So guys, please rest 30 minutes of your time. After eating, you're gonna have distribution of loot bags, candlelight ceremony, and of course, few more games because we have more prizes here. And the play passes will be distributed right away. Alright, so enjoy your dinner first. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. We're gonna have my special talent up next. I'm gonna sing and dance. Joke lang, joke lang. Tito talaga nagawa. Okay, it's just a joke, Tito. But I'm gonna have my special talent later, ha? So kids, please don't go home. Okay, eating time, everyone! Attack the food! Come on, enjoy your dinner.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Oppa Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style.
Galing! Very good!
Your prizes, it's gonna be, I don't know how many hours for that. So just, it's time for you to